I've seen a couple of people message me from time to time, and I've seen other things that this I've just run across for one reason or another, and it's the issue of people trying to go after keywords that they really have almost no chance to rank for, especially if they're an absolute beginner. It's just not a good way to use your time, and it's actually worse than that, because it's going to discourage you, and in some cases it makes people feel like they want to give up. They feel like they just can't do this, when in fact it's not the case. It's just their approach is wrong. So again, my advice would be to, and you teach this as well, to evaluate the competition when you're evaluating a keyword. Before you give it the green light, you look at this, and you can use a tool. Earlier I should have mentioned an extension like there's a Mozbar or SEO Quake that you can use in your browser, and it'll show you the stats of the competing URLs and sites. So it'll give you their relative strength, and you can see if, hey, are any sites at all that are weaker, small sites, are they able to rank at all, or are they all just really tough competitors? And that gives you a much better picture of your odds of succeeding. You should always check the competition, because also you might assume that Google is treating this keyword in one way, and then it turns out it's different. Google doesn't always interpret them exactly the same way, and I have to be careful to evaluate competition plus how the keyword's being treated, because there's so many variables going on.
Sure.
You get better at it. The more you practice, the better you get. Yeah.